Los Angeles, the city of dreams, where stars shine, industries grow, and culture collide. But behind these bright lights, there is a hidden story. A story of struggle, ambition, and transformation. From Spanish explorer to Mexican ranchos, from the rise of Hollywood to futuristic skyscrapers, Los Angeles has evolved in ways no one could have imagined. How did a small settlement turn into one of the most powerful cities in the world? And what does the future hold for LA? Let's dive deep into the incredible history and future of Los Angeles. It all started in 1781 when a small group of 44 settlers arrived in the vast, unknown land. They were led by Spanish explorers determined to establish a new colony. But life was tough. These settlers built simple adobe houses surrounded by open fields and rivers. They farmed the land, raised cattle, and followed Spanish tradition to survive. Isolation, harsh weather, and limited resources made survival difficult. Yet they held on. Their missions and traditions still shape Los Angeles today. But change was coming. Spain's power was weakening, and a new nation had its eyes on California. In 1821, Mexico gained independence from Spain, and with it, California came under Mexican rules. This was the beginning of the Rancho era. Massive land grants were given to wealthy Mexican families, and soon Los Angeles was transformed into a land of sprawling ranchos. These ranchos, as they were called, built grand haciendas, owned thousands of cattle, and held lavish celebrations. They controlled trade, politics, and society. But their power would not last forever. As American settlers started arriving, tensions grew. The Mexican-American War was on the horizon, and the Rancho era was about to end. Fast forward to the early 19th, and a small area in Los Angeles was about to change the world: Hollywood. Filmmakers fled the East Coast to escape strict patent laws. Here in the warm California sun, they built the first movie studios. By the 1920s, silent films, movie stars, and red carpets made Hollywood the entertainment capital of the world. As the film industry grew, so did Los Angeles. People from all over the world came here, chasing dreams of fame and fortune. But Los Angeles' transformation was not just about movies. A new industrial boom was about to reshape the city once again. After World War II, Los Angeles entered a new era of rapid industrialization. Factories, aerospace companies, and automobile industries turned LA into an economic powerhouse. The city expanded, highways connected neighborhoods, and skyscrapers began to rise. The suburban boom gave birth to new communities. But with success came problems: pollution, overpopulation, and economic disparity started to merge. Los Angeles was no longer just the city of dreams. It was now a battleground of progress and struggle. And as the 21st century arrived, a new challenge awaited Los Angeles: modernization and global influence. Today, Los Angeles is a global powerhouse, a melting pot of cultures, industries, and technologies. The film industry is still thriving, but now tech companies, fashion, and international business define Los Angeles' identity. Skyscrapers reach higher, self driving cars roam the streets, and AI driven industries are shaping the city economy. But not everything is perfect. Los Angeles faces major challenges: traffic, housing crisis, and climate change threaten its future. Yet one thing is certain: Los Angeles have always updated, always innovated, and now we look ahead to what the future holds. Imagine Los Angeles in 2050, a futuristic city where technology and sustainability shape everyday life. Smart cities powered by AI, fully electric transport system, skyscrapers covered in solar panels. This is the Los Angeles of the future. Space exploration is expanding, and Los Angeles, home to SpaceX and NASA, could become a hub for interplanetary travel. But challenges remain: overpopulation, automation, and climate risks could redefine how people live and work in Los Angeles. One thing is clear: Los Angeles will keep evolving just as it has for centuries. From Spanish settlers to Mexican ranchers, from Hollywood golden age to futuristic AI-driven cities, Los Angeles has always been a city of transformation. The journey is not over. The future of LA is still being written. The question is, where will the next chapter lead? What do you think? How will Los Angeles look in the next 50 years? Share your thoughts in the comments. I am waiting. And if you love history and future predictions, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories. Thank you.